Let me take this table format. Table is option available where you have small data to display, which is available in table format. But in my case, I don't have. I do have some data with me. So for that, let me create one data for this. So I'll go in transform. I'll copy this order table. Right click, copy, paste. It is order 2. I'll go in transform. I'll make group by. I'll say group by. I'll say let me go for advanced group by. I say based on let's say category. I'll go for where is my category. Yes, it is there. So I'll say sum of sales. A new column to be created. There's summation to be done for the sales part. I say parallelly I want sum of profit to be shown. I'll say sum for column profit. I'll say okay, good to go. Create table. Rename is as order summary. If your data like this, then you can use this in data tables. If it is done, you can apply, and this table would be available on your Power BI desktop. You can do the round off also if needed. Let me take this as a whole number. Let me take this also as a whole number. It's good to go. So I'll go for apply. Then desktop. Now if I get the table, I can drag that table. Yes, order summary is there. Order summary, I can get this category, profit, sales. If you have small data to display, you can display in a table. That's it.